All right, you're going.
Okay. All right, this is week 5 of 5 weeks of East Coast Swing in Charleston. Today we took our Charleston footwork and we married it with our Jitterbug East Coast Swing. So we start in East Coast Swing, we get into Charleston, and we do a tuck turn back into East Coast Swing. So here we are, East Coast Swing, and we can do some jitterbugs with pull steps of bop, rock, step, 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 rock, step, and that's going to reach for my hip bone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to open me, which we're going to transfer into 1 on Charleston.
Okay, my bad.
All right, then here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Transfer and boom, hitting Charleston on that 5, 6, which is also the 1, 2 in Charleston. Matt's gonna offer me his hand. He's gonna plant and push on 1. He's gonna open the book, close the book, turn a rock step and back into jitterbug. Let's do it one more time. Get into Charleston. Open. He's gonna offer me his hand. Plant and push on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back into jitterbug. And that's what we learned tonight. You guys, so real quick, can you stop that one?